In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your handle on your seat on your Chevy Colorado. It's located on the passenger side seat. Using a T20 Torx bit, we're going to remove this Torx bolt. Remove the bolt, slide it off. To install, make sure it's lined up with the notch. Slide it on. Start the screw. Make sure it's started in the middle and not off a little bit. Once it's snug, you're going to go a quarter of a turn. Make sure it functions correctly and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.